Welcome to 17 Balls, where freedom starts with your next move. In this video, we're going to be talking about top stocks for 2026 to watch and even invest in. So let's get into it. Okay, starting with number one, NVDA. NVIDIA is probably one of my favorite ones. Obviously, I have it in my portfolio, and I'll be sharing that with you guys towards the end as well, just so you can see what I kind of invested in for the year. So NVIDIA stays at the top of the list because it's dominant in AI and data center computing. NVIDIA isn't just a gaming chip, it's the backbone of modern AI infrastructure. NVIDIA is currently investing millions and millions of dollars of huge data center growth all over the United States. Okay, next up is Broadcom, ticker symbol AVGO, a tech infrastructure powerhouse that most investors don't fully appreciate. I don't know why, they should though. Broadcom specializes in high performance networking, custom data centers, connectivity chips that run everything from cloud servers to telecom infrastructure. Broadcom also has a strong reputation for operational efficiency and shareholder returns, and most importantly, strong margins. It's definitely a growth stock you want in your portfolio, at least to say. Okay, next up is Google, also known as Alphabet. Google is one of those companies most people use every single day. That's why I kind of like it. Whether it's search engine, YouTube, Gmail, Maps, or even on Android. And a lot of people own Android phones. And that's pretty much why I think it's so darn powerful. Google is a strong advertising machine. I mean, it owns YouTube, which I'm currently using to create content. From TV to ads, subscriptions to its creators, it all feeds back to revenue. And finally, Google is heavily invested in AI, improving search, ads, and pretty much everyday tools that you and I use every day. Okay, next up, and is one of my favorites, is Tesla. Most people think Tesla is just a car company, but man, Elon Musk, that guy he's an innovator. He's a genius. Really fond of that guy. I mean, just listen to him talk. I mean, the guy never loses. He's a remarkable, amazing person. Anyhow, let's get into it. Okay, so Tesla. Tesla not only makes electric cars, they also make the software that runs them. Okay, and then also makes batteries, and it's also into solar. I'm sure everybody knows, and he's also dipping his feet into robotics. So pretty soon, I mean, he's pushing for self-driving, autonomous vehicles. They're going to pretty much be seen everywhere. So be on the lookout for that, and also your own personal robot. So he's been working huge on that as well. One caveat though towards Tesla is it's really volatile. But I mean, if you believe in the future of electric cars, AI, and energy systems, I mean, I think it remains the most disruptive tech companies heading into 2026. Because again, like I said, you can't lose with Elon. At least I believe so. Okay, last up is Meta Platform. Okay, Meta owns big platforms that I'm sure everybody knows and uses probably almost every day, and businesses use as well. For example, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Messenger. Meta makes revenue through advertising, and businesses pay to reach people. And Meta has some of the best targeting tools in the world because of how much user data it has. Other things Meta is working on is virtual and augmented reality. Everyone probably knows famous Meta glasses, and they're also getting into AI. He's pushing big into AI. I mean, who isn't, right? So don't think of Meta as a social media company. It's a data and advertising powerhouse with global reach. That's what makes it so strong. Okay, last but not least, here's a snapshot of my IRA account. So for 2026, I funded it. So I strongly recommend everyone else does the same because the sooner you fund it, the sooner your money starts working for you. So as you can see, it's mainly pretty strong in the tech factor. It's pretty aggressive portfolio, as you can see, because it's mostly bigger footprint in tech stocks. But I went with QQQ and total market index. I put majority of it into QQQ. Then the rest I did in the total market index, which is FC Rocks. It's a Fidelity account, so it's free. It's pretty cheap fun, so that's why I did it. All my other tech stocks, I had a pretty big footprint percentage wise, so I figured I had to kind of increase more on the QQQ, and the rest I just put it in total market index. So yeah, that's my portfolio as a snapshot. It's about a little over 10 years old. I kind of started late because I have a pension through my company. So I just did this one on the side and I kind of started late just for fun. So yeah, that's why I invested in it for 2026. So yeah, what are you investing in? Love to hear it.